Hey guys, today I am coming to you with my most highly requested video, and that is my wing liner. You guys have been asking for forever for a tutorial on how I do my wing, and so today I'm going to give you guys what you have been asking for. I'm giving you a wing liner tutorial. It's kind of quick because it's not really that much to making the perfect wing, but this literally took me years to perfect, and I think I kind of have it to where I love it now. So continue watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this video, and also hit that bell so you guys can get notifications of when I release new videos. So thank you, and continue watching. Let's get into it. So first I wanted to show you guys the eyeliner that I use, and it is the NYX matte liner. So the first step to my perfect wing is I go to the outer corner of my eye and I just drag that line up to where I want the wing to actually end. Then I go a little bit past halfway and I just kind of connect it and drag the line down and kind of make like that angled wing look. Then I'll go back and just kind of connect it again and just put a really sharp point on the end of the wing, and then I'll just fill in the rest of the wing. So next I go to my inner corner, and as you can see, I just draw a line that connects to the first line that I made, and then I just go through and I just fill in everything that still has like that blank lid space, or I'll just go through and get the spots that I may have missed with liner and just kind of fill everything in. But your wing is pretty much done here. You're just kind of doing touch-ups. So now you guys have pretty much seen how I make my wings. So I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other eye. I'm just not going to talk through this one. I'm just going to let you guys see it and just speed it up a little bit. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I added lashes, some highlights, and some under eye stuff. But other than that, that's how I do my wing. I don't know, you guys. I hope this was very informative. I hope this helped you guys out. Again, I love the NYX matte liner. I don't know if it's NYX or NYX. I don't know, but I call it NYX. But I love their matte liner. They also have a vinyl liner, which is kind of like the more shinier, so you guys can have either or. But yeah, that's like my favorite liner right now. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys were able to learn something. I think I did pretty good. I kind of went fast today, but I think I did good. So don't forget to, again, like and subscribe, hit that bell notification so you guys can know when I release new videos. I will definitely be releasing more content soon. And thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.